So this is a classic educational argument. How do you educate any society, basically either in a bottom up way or a top down way? And more specifically, how do you educate a traumatized community, which is the African American community in the early 20th century after nearly 250 years of slavery and then sudden freedom, the Reconstruction era, the Jim Crow era, right? What is the best way to reorganize, a society that's been, or a culture that's been traumatized? So Washington will take the conservative approach and work from the bottom up. He'll make largely an argument for vocational training, and Du Bois will make the more liberal political argument, saying that university education has to precede vocational education, and there needs to be political engagement uh, for an integrated society, not living with separate but equal segregation that comes with Booker T. Washington's argument. So again, chapter three is Washington's argument, and then 4 through 6 is um, Du Bois's argument. So an excellent place to sort of look at and find purchase for an argument. Okay, and so yeah, so I'm just skipping through chapters 4 through 6 here, which is the continuation of uh, the argument. So let's skip ahead um, to the second part of the text. So we skip um, chapters 7 through 9, and we get to chapter 10, okay, which will be the faith of the fathers. So in chapters 10 through 14 are largely memoiristic texts, memoiristic and literary texts, or largely, I would say. So this is what he starts this in chapter 4 when he's talking about the meaning of progress, and he talks about his for one of his first teaching jobs where he went into the backwoods of Tennessee and and started a school and taught for a little bit.